How to Venmo a new person. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Venmo, and after signing up, you will be able to find the option of pay at the bottom center. Just simply click on it. Then at the top, you will be able to find a search bar. Simply search for any particular person that you want to find, and you can use their username, their phone, their email. Just search for that particular person, and after that, tap on their profile, and right after that you can type the amount that you want to send, and also type the reason that for which you are sending the amount. After that, click on the option of pay, and now you need to select the payment method. Simply select any payment method of your choice that you have on your Venmo and click on the option of pay. This way you would be able to make the payment to any person out there on Venmo, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.